year, Joris Laarman Studio and two tutors from the Institute for Advanced Architecture of Catalonia released a freeform 3D printer. The machine, a material extruding robot arm, can print layer by layer onto any surface at any angle by using a fast-curing resin. Coming back to the present day, the project has now evolved into print metal. Joris Laarman Lab, in partnership with Acotech, upgraded the resin printer by outfitting the robotic arm with an advanced welding machine. The new MX3D metal is capable of fusing bits of molten metal steel, stainless steel, aluminum, bronze, or copper without the need for support structures. At the same time, with the support from Autodesk, the team is working on the machine's accompanying software, saying that the combination of robot and welding is driven by different types of software that work closely together. This will eventually lead to a more user-friendly interface that will allow users to print directly from CAD. Unfortunately, right now, the printing process is rather slow, as metal has to cool enough to continue extruding. To make up for it, the MX3D can print in any direction and is freed from the confines of an enclosure. This means that the theoretical size of the machine's print volume is limitless. Of course, there are still safety precautions that need consideration, but still the possibilities of such a machine are mind-blowing. Let's take a look at the machine in action.